Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question. Megan wants to know, what are some of your favorite protection herbs? Wow, that is a great question. That's a great topic that we could bring up for another time altogether. Absolutely. But just off the top of my head, like where are my go-tos? What are my like sure bets? What are the things that I would use? These are the ones that I go to automatically. My first choices, the things that, are good all around protection. Number one is salt. Salt is a fantastic protector. We all have salt in our house. Everyone has salt. So if you need something on the fly, if you need some protection on the fly, some cleansing and some protection, all wrapped up into one, use some salt. You can use some special salt like pink Himalaya salt if you want to be a little gentler. You can use black salt if you really want to banish something. And I recommend, if you're using black salt, to use black lava salt. So there's witch's salt, black salt, witch's salt. But I'll tell you something. In my experience, I don't love working with what most people sell as that black salt because it's just dyed regular salt. Regular salt dyed black. It has the advantage of having the color, but it really doesn't have the power. Now, what do I use for my black salt? Lava salt, black lava salt. Black lava salt has fire behind it. It has power behind it. Think about a volcano, really powerful, really authoritative. So if you want to work with black salt and you want to work with black witch's salt, get lava salt. We sell it at the shop, but you can also find it other places as well. But that is the real deal. That is the stuff. Black dyed salt, it's got the color black on it, but it's just regular salt. I want that power of the lava. I want that power of the volcano. If I'm really using black salt, I want hardcore fiery protection. So that's another one you can use. Another thing that we can use for protection, rue, the herb rue. So salt really isn't even an herb. I know you were asking about herbs, but that's the first thing I think of when I think of protection. Rue is an herb, however, and rue is amazing because it not only protects in a very strong way, but also reverses things, removes jinxes, cleans things up. It really has this really very strong quality and allows you to really set that thing, send it back to where it belongs, clean it up and protect you all in one. It's beautiful. Now, the one caveat with rue is you don't want to work with rue if you are pregnant, because ingesting rue it's an abortifacient. It can cause an abortion or it can cause the loss of your child. So you definitely don't want to burn rue or drink rue. Wouldn't recommend it anyway. But if you're pregnant and you want to carry that baby to full term, then rue is not something you want to work with during those 9 months. If you're thinking of trying to get pregnant, also you don't want to work with rue. Those are amazing and powerful protection herbs. The salt and the rue together are amazing. Another one is black pepper. Black pepper, like you have in your kitchen. Black pepper that you go at the restaurant is an amazing protection herb. It's spicy, it's hot, and it sends things away. Black pepper also is naturally black, and black is protection. So it has that quality of color magic as well. So those are three that I just like off the top of my head. What are my three go-tos? If I were on a desert island and I could only bring three things with me for protection, those are the three that I would bring. There's lots more, but those are my main ones. Pepper, salt, and rue. If you're pregnant, only use pepper and salt though. Okay. All right.